The automotive industry is facing a huge change in mobility. The technologies that get into our cars provide more convenient systems for the customers. They're getting more intelligent, they're interconnected to each other.
And so we have to find new ways of testing the software to ensure that the cars are safe. Volkswagen and Red Hat innovate together in a way that we build up a new test infrastructure for making integrative tests for electronic components.
First Innovation Labs was proving it is possible to bring test environment and test cases to the OpenShift container platform and can be automated completely. In the second one, we built a complete chain with the software stack and gives the result of the software quality directly to the developer.
Transforming the physical test environments to virtual components was one of the most challenging tasks during the residency. The Red Hat Open Innovation Labs provided us with this frame to work with several departments and with other partners in the same structure on one go. We had access to the best of the Red Hat and OpenShift developers and engineers to solve problems and obstacles.
We learned a lot during the Open Innovation Labs engagements in terms of agile ways of working and open engineering culture as well. The Red Hat brings the right spirit, the right culture, the belief in achieving. Everybody in the team was very, very enthusiastic by what has been achieved.